Guys, feeling ko talaga pwede siyang pang Miss Universe.
Ay, bongga.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Shai.
Hi, Shai. How long have you been here in Bali, Indonesia?
Ay, antaray. Kahapon na.
Kahapon lang. Magkano nagastos na sa Bali, Indonesia?
May kasama ako so...
Magkano? 100,000.
Ano na natin, i-confidential natin yung
Confidential
budget.
fund?
Yeah.
Hanggang ngayon ba, confidential pa din yung fund?
Ay,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Pero nag-van lang kayo papuntang Bali, no?
Oo, van, grabe.
Lumilipad. Okay, are you ready for our malupitang questions for today?
Sige.
Okay, unang question. Kailan ka huling nag-touch yourself?
Touch myself, oh my God. Siguro medyo matagal na kasi hindi ko talaga thing yung pag-touch ng self.
Okay.
Gusto ko may partner.
May partner talaga.
Yeah.
Perfect. Fair enough. Alright. Itong next question, feeling ko hindi ka mahihirapan nito kasi mabilis lang to.
Sige, go.
Kung sasampalin ka ng 10 pipino, ilan ang kaya mo?
Sasampalin?
Oo,
Oh
sasampalin.
my God. Siyempre, isa lang. Loyal ako.
Ay talaga?
Oo.
Kahit sabihin nating malambot yung pipino.
Oo, isa lang.
Pag matigas,
Sinasampal pa ba yun?
okay. Alright, sabi isa lang talaga.
Isa lang, loyal tayo.
Grabe naman talaga. Third question. Trim or shave?
Ano ba to? Sige. Trim.
Trim ka?
Yeah.
Why not shave?
Kasi parang may protective layer. Tapos nakakakiliti. Ganon.
Ganun pala yun. Hindi ko yun alam, guys.
Yeah.
Grabe, oh. Okay. Okay, try ko nga yan. Alright. One last question. Pumapatong or pinapatungan?
Oh my God. Siyempre gusto ko yung ako yung pumapatong.
Ay, perfect.
Yeah.
Driver ka pala? May driver's license ka ba?
Wala pa. Reckless
Ala.
driver.
Reckless driver. Ang perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Shai.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. By the way, are you okay with being in our vlog?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, perfect. We're gonna upload it. Thank you so much. Bye.